Very good, everyone. Look, this is a practical lesson about options in the American stock market. So here we have Kohl's, major retailer, Kohl's, known throughout the United States, which is a stock that had a very significant rise, right? From July 2025 to December 2025, going up 172%. Then, folks, everything that goes up corrects. And during these corrections, we can take advantage of them to make a timely trade. Buy an option and sell it a few days later. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this simple and straightforward lesson. Look, on this day here, January 7th, there's an opportunity to buy an option of the type. What is this? There are financial call option contracts which consistently increase in their overall market value as the underlying stock price rises. And there are also specific put option contracts which substantially gain in value when those particular stocks fall. And here the stock, on this day, it was nothing more, nothing less than $20.65, okay? But we could, let's say you have a store, the price is dropping, there are people wanting to buy a product, you don't have it in stock, but you can sell it and then go to your supplier and deliver it a few days later. That's a common practice. At that moment, the stock was at $20.65 and more than 3 million shares were traded that day. In other words, a lot of people at your store's door. You could sell to serve your customer and buy it back at a lower price, 18% cheaper. So you could sell and buy it back at a lower price, pocketing a $3 profit margin, a common practice in any business. But when you use options, instead of selling at $20.65, you can buy each option for 90 cents. And as these shares go down, those options go up. And look how interesting this is. A bearish movement in the option in the stock. The options went from 90 cents and right now they're at $3.05. Do you know what that means, folks? If you buy 1,000 options, you invest $900. Those $900 at this moment become $3,050. Isn't that an incredible appreciation? With the drop in the stock, that's exactly what options are for. We use this technique, which is very simple for you to understand, to participate in, and with little capital, you can achieve quite impressive results. So this is just one example of what's been happening in recent days. But opportunities like this are very, very common here in the American stock market. And let's agree, a product where you invested $900 and sold it a few days later for $3,000, that's an incredible profit margin, isn't it? So that's what was done in this opportunity. Another simple and straightforward lesson for you to understand the power of options in practice. In the American stock market,